Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Edge A130, and today I will show you the first setup of this device. So the first we have to choose language, and right now we are able to connect our device, connect our Garmin Edge with smartphone, but I'm going to skip this step. We can make it later. Click next. Right now we can select units. I'm going for the metric. Right now we have to choose time format, select our gender, birth of the year, our weight, and height. Right now we are able to connect sensors. Unfortunately I don't have, so I'm going to skip this step. Right now we can set up activity profiles. Of course we can customize each profile to create unique settings for different types of the rides. We can make it, so click continue. I'm going to use the road, indoor, and also e-bike, and that's all. And then tap on the switcher to confirm, and there you get the warning. Of course we have to read all of the stuff. Click here, and as you can see, after a few moments we are finally in our device. And if you want to quickly increase the brightness of your screen, because in my case it's too dark, I go for the system, find display, turn off the auto brightness and enable for 100% to see everything better on your screen. And if you want to connect your application to the smartphone, go for the connected features in the settings, go for the phone, and as you can see here we can pair our smartphone with the application, and there's also the name of our device. If you want to connect with the Wi-Fi, you can also make it by downloading the application. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.